Hi, my name is Miss Asfal and this is Miss Haj Ali and we are from the HSIE faculty at Punchbowl Boys High School. Today we will be modelling an empathy task for Year 9 History on the topic World War I. Now this empathy task will be on your Google Classroom as Lesson 3, looking at trenches. The objective is for you to explore the experiences of soldiers during this time. You're expected to write in the perspective of an Australian soldier, and you need to be describing the experiences that they overcome.
This empathy task, you're expected to write a letter. Your letter can include the following: what a trench looks like, what soldiers ate, where soldiers slept, and what jobs they had to do. This task will need to be submitted onto your Google Classroom at the end of week 2. We'll now take you to the whiteboard where we have provided an example of a paragraph which will outline the expectations of this task. What is an empathy task? An empathy task is your ability to show that you understand the feelings of another. In this particular task, you are going to show that you understand the feelings of a soldier during World War I, and in particular, their experiences in the trenches.
Okay, so you need to start your letter with salutation. Salutation is just directing your letter to a specific person. So for example, Dear John. This could be Dear Family, Dear Mum, etc. Then we expect you to leave a line before you start your paragraph. So the paragraph that we've written for you as an example is as followed. Life in the trenches is horrific.
I am living in a long, narrow ditch that's dug into the ground.
I am so uncomfortable as there is mud everywhere.
It's cold and gloomy. I feel so homesick.
I feel scared as I am positioned in the frontline trench.
Turkish soldiers are powerful and are showing no mercy.
When writing a letter, you need to make sure that firstly, you're writing in first person, that you're writing in present tense, as well as using adjectives to describe your experience. Now, if we look at the example paragraph, you can see that we are writing in first person when we say I am, or another example is I feel. When we're talking about present tense, an example is using the word living rather than lived.
You can also use adjectives to describe your experiences. For example, horrific, long, narrow, cold and gloomy. This could be just to start your letter. Other paragraphs that you can include can talk about the experiences of soldiers in regards to the food they eat, where they sleep, any of the diseases they might have contracted, and any of the animals they also would have seen during their experience there.
We hope that this video is useful. Please make sure that you're submitting your empathy task by the end of week 2, term 2.
Stay safe and we hope to see you soon.